Hi, 你好. This is Genial from Genial Medicals. Remember last episode, we've made the inner core parts, so now it's time to give it a suit of more. In this step, we place the core into the ABS housing and secure the battery cap. And just like that, the basic form of a thermometer is born, simple and efficient. Before it's completely sealed, it's time for the first wake-up call and a stress test. We like to call this a trip to the sauna. We turn it on, listen to the crisp speed, then send it into a thermal oven to simulate a fever, checking the display all the way. And a little imperfection gets it mercilessly kicked out. Our production line is incredibly adaptable. Targeting the US market? No problem. Just a single command. The display switches from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Voila! Incredibly ready for a new market. It's just that flexible. After surviving the sauna, it's time for the most crucial protective step. Automated Epoxy coating. A drop of thick Epoxy resin is precisely injected into the probe tip. Once cured, it forms an indestructible barrier, shielding the delicate thermistor from moisture and physical shock, ready for all of life's little accidents. Don't underestimate this little drop of glue. It needs a full 4 hours to cure completely and reaches its best protective strength. Why are we so patient? Because we know that cutting corners here means compromising the product's lifespan down the road. Next time, we put the fully cured thermometer through its final and most rigorous accuracy test before giving it a unique identity. So be sure to tune in.